Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily slow down YouTube Shorts. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up YouTube app. Then you can open up your Shorts feed, and once you find a video that you want to slow down, you should first hit at that thumb up button to like that video, then hit at library, scroll down and add playlist, open up liked videos playlist, then select that video that you have just liked, then tap right here at a video and it shows you up that toolbar right here. Just tap at gear icon and now you are able to control playback speed. You can tap on that and now you can set it the video is too short, and now you can set it to any of that options. You can speed it up or you can slow it down. So I'm gonna select the first one and see what happened. Now video slowed down 4 times. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my YouTube tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.